Hello to all our viewers. Welcome to Nisha Lakshmi world. Hope you all are doing good. Today we bring to you vegetable biryani. Vegetable biryani is an aromatic rice recipe packed with full of flavors, mixed veggies, herbs and biryani spices. There are various ways to make it, but today we bring to you in a very simple way without grinding and without much hassle, but yet very tasty. So let's check out the recipe. Please do consider to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified on our new videos published. For this, I have taken 1 medium-sized onion thinly sliced, 1 cup mint leaves roughly chopped, 1/4 cup coriander leaves roughly chopped, 10 slit green chilies or according to your taste. The veggies I have taken are green beans, cauliflower, turnip, carrot. These are the veggies of my choice, but you can add any veggies of your choice. I have diced 1 medium-sized potato and put in water to avoid oxidation. 5 medium-sized tomatoes roughly chopped. 1 teaspoon of crushed ginger garlic, or you can use paste too. 1/2 cup curd. 2.5 cups of basmati rice which is washed and drained. Spices such as 2 bay leaves, few stone flower, 4 cloves, 4 cardamom, 2 star anise, cinnamon sticks, 4 Marathi moggu, to a heated pan or a vessel, add in sufficient amount of oil and ghee. Once it's heated, add in the spices. And saute until it's aromatic. Once it turns aromatic, add in the sliced onions, green chilies and saute until the onions turn golden brown. Once the onions have caramelized, add in the ginger garlic paste. Saute for about 10 to 20 seconds. Then add in coriander leaves, mint leaves, chopped tomatoes, and saute until the tomatoes are soft and mushy. Once the tomatoes are nice and mushy, reduce the heat and add in the curd. Mix it nicely until everything combines well. By doing this, it avoids curdling. Once everything has combined well, add in 3 teaspoons of red chili powder or according to your taste. Salt according to taste. Garam masala, half teaspoon. Kitchen King masala, 1 teaspoon. And saute everything until the raw smell goes. Once the raw smell has gone, add in all the vegetables except cauliflower and potato. And saute them for 30 to 40 seconds. Now cover the lid and allow them to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Keep stirring occasionally. After 2 to 3 minutes, now add in the potatoes and mix it well. Due to some technical issues, this step is being missed here. Add in water. As I have taken 2.5 cups of rice, I will be adding 5 cups of water. Once give everything a good mix. Cover the lid and allow it to come to a nice boil. Once it comes to a nice boil, check for salt and spice and adjust if required. Once mix everything well, add in cauliflower, and mix it once. Next, add in rice. Mix it gently. And allow it to boil until the rice grains are seen on the surface. Now that the rice grains are clearly visible on the surface, cover the lid and cook on a low heat for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, turn off the stove and let it sit for around half an hour undisturbed. After half an hour, let's check on how our vegetable biryani has done. Wow, it looks so colorful and mouth-watering. Mix it gently. Spicy, flavorful vegetable biryani is ready to be served. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching.